Welcome to our comprehensive exploration of the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT. Today, we'll delve into what IIoT is, its significance, and 5 impactful use cases that highlight its transformative power in modern industries. The Industrial Internet of Things, or IoT, refers to the integration of internet-connected devices and advanced data analytics into industrial operations. These connected devices, often referred to as smart sensors and actuators, collect and share data to improve efficiency, productivity, and decision-making in industries like manufacturing, energy, and transportation. IIoT is crucial because it enables industries to transition from traditional practices to more efficient, automated, and data-driven operations. This transformation leads to improved operational efficiency, reduced costs, enhanced product quality, and better decision-making. Let's explore these benefits in detail through 5 key use cases. Our first use case is predictive maintenance. By equipping machinery with smart sensors, IIoT allows for real-time monitoring of equipment health. Data collected from these sensors can predict when a machine is likely to fail, allowing for maintenance to be performed just in time. This reduces downtime and maintenance costs, ensuring continuous operation and higher productivity. Next, we have smart manufacturing. IoT enables the automation and optimization of production lines. Connected devices communicate with each other to streamline operations, reduce waste, and enhance product quality. With IoT, manufacturers can quickly adapt to changes in demand, customize production, and achieve higher levels of efficiency. The third use case is supply chain optimization. IoT provides end-to-end visibility of the supply chain through connected devices that track the location, condition, and movement of goods. This real-time data helps in optimizing inventory levels, reducing delays, and improving overall supply chain efficiency. Fourth on our list is energy management. IoT solutions are used to monitor and manage energy consumption in industrial settings. Smart sensors collect data on energy usage, enabling companies to identify inefficiencies and implement energy-saving measures. This not only reduces costs, but also supports sustainability efforts. Our final use case is industrial automation. IoT facilitates the automation of various industrial processes by integrating robotics and AI-driven systems. This leads to increased precision, speed, and safety in operations. Automated systems can work continuously, handle dangerous tasks, and adapt to different conditions without human intervention. In conclusion, the Industrial Internet of Things is transforming industries by enhancing efficiency, reducing costs, and enabling smarter decision-making. From predictive maintenance to industrial automation, IIoT is paving the way for a more connected and intelligent industrial future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful videos.